Hey, what is up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty. It is a Thursday edition of our Weather 2020 video. Of course, we've been talking about the Global Predictor, which is now out. It's only on desktop. The app is going to be out very soon, but if you want to check it out and see if you even like it, you can check out the Global Predictor on our Weather 2020 app. It's going to be $5.99. It's going to be pretty sweet because you can go anywhere in the world, get a 6-month forecast. All right, so what we're going to do today, of course, we had more severe weather last night. We're going to be talking about when we are going to see more severe weather coming over the next week or so. Actually, a little bit of a long range forecast. A little bit tired today, fighting a migraine. When I don't sleep well, I get a migraine. I was up late, of course, tracking those thunderstorms, so I didn't get in bed until, about 4:30 during the morning hours. So here's our weather question for today. And I've gotten a lot of good ones in. So I'm going to try to get to all of them, especially once the summer starts to slow down just a little bit. Let me widen the screen up here just a little bit. All right, so why so much severe weather this year? Well, guys, talking about weather 2020, it's the LRC pattern. So it's the pattern that Gary Lezak and I have been working on. Gary since the late 80s, me since the late 90s. So we've been developing it together for the past 25 years. And it's a pattern. So when we say what a pattern is, we're talking about, man, you had a lot of severe weather this spring, or man, you didn't get much severe weather. Or, wow, we had a lot of snow, or we didn't get a lot of snow, or it was a hot summer, it was a dry summer. That's the pattern. The pattern sets up, fully set, starts setting up in September, and it's fully set in October and lasts all the way through the next September. So each year, when we figure out the pattern, then we can project it forward and figure out what we are going to get. All right, so last night was our 16th day test. That's funny. I'm not going to stop the video and change it. Last night was our 16th day test with severe weather. 16th date that we've had severe weather, which is kind of crazy. We average about 10 to 12, and we're already at 16. Man, I wrote datus to watch. That is crazy. What was I thinking? All right, but Sunday night, we're going to get some storms. Some of those could be strong, possibly severe. Then again on Tuesday, next Tuesday, we're going to have a severe threat. The 23rd and the 24th, which is late next week, the 29th, the 30th of May, we really got to watch. And then as we go into June, officially severe weather ends right around June 15th, but the 8th and 9th, and then the 15th. So those are the big dates that we need to watch. And I know you guys want me to give you a calendar forecast, which I will do. I just haven't had a chance to put it together. I was going to do it last night, but there's so much severe weather. But I'll get you guys a calendar of what it's going to be like all the way through the month of June. All right, hot spot today for severe weather: San Angelo, south of Dallas to Houston, into Louisiana, back in Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We still have showers and thunderstorms, but nothing severe, just scattered showers really kind of popping up. And these are going to be a hit and miss throughout the afternoon. Most of them are going to be into Arkansas, but you can see a couple showers near Pineville, a little bit heavier once you get down southeastern parts of Oklahoma, Broken Bow Lake, just to the west of Fort Smith. Couple little guys northwestern Arkansas, up into Illinois, and then, of course, already severe weather's ongoing down across parts of Texas, just to the southwest of Dallas, Texas. But besides that, not a whole bunch going on. Check out the rain vision. So where you see the blues, we're talking about at least an inch of rain, but where you start to see the purples and the red, we're talking 2 to 4 inches of rain. So some areas picked up some heavy rain last night, especially in Kansas, from Wichita out toward Medicine Lodge, where the drought has been so bad. Also very heavy amounts of rain just southwest of Oklahoma City. All right, let's go through time. Through the afternoon, you can see hit and miss showers, couple little thunderstorms, southeast Kansas, central Missouri, not a big deal. Temps into the 70s. Tonight, overall, pretty calm. Not a whole bunch going on. Temperatures, they're going to be mainly into lower 60s. We are going to get some showers and thunderstorms once you get down across north central Arkansas into southeastern parts of Missouri. So kind of Little Rock to West Plains, but not a huge deal. As we go into Friday, let's watch this. I've had a lot of questions about Friday because graduations and stuff, and we are going to have some pop-up hit and miss showers southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, Oklahoma, into Arkansas, but they would be short-lived and fairly light across the region. Once we get into Saturday, it's looking pretty good. We're going to have sunny skies. Look at our temps. Everybody warms into lower 80s for highs. Now we start to get into our next storm system. Sunday looks good, but look at these thunderstorms. This is Sunday evening, central Kansas. Severe threat from like Salina, Hayes to Wichita down toward Ponca City. And we'll have to see the timing of these storms, but they could stay strong to severe as they push into Topeka, Lawrence, Kansas City, St. Joe, Chanute, Joplin, and Tulsa late Sunday night. So we want to watch that. But Monday, overall, looks good, warm. Tuesday, here comes our next cold front, slides in, severe threat again, mainly from Kansas City, Joplin, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, into northwest Arkansas and central Missouri. So that's another severe threat we want to keep our eyes on. Severe threat goes away on Wednesday. We'll have showers and thunderstorms through Oklahoma and Arkansas, but severe threat returns on Thursday as that front lifts back toward the north, and of course, instability will return. So that's kind of what we're watching over the next week or so. A lot to watch. Of course, if you have a weather question, leave it in the comment section below. We'll talk about it. I'll even try to spell correctly. Huge shout out Superior Roofing and Construction. Sometimes, guys, I'm sorry I forget about you because you guys are sitting right there. With all the severe weather, hail, wind, anything like that, give them a call. They work in all 4 states. Even if you think you may have had hail, or even if you think your roof is old, give them a call. It's Cole, Evan, and Carlos. Ask for one of them. Tell them you heard about me, or you heard about them from me, because they give a percentage to the Christian Hetty Foundation. All right, guys. Hope you have a fantastic Thursday.